Warning! Folks! 11 gas stations that are destroying your engine, and the 5 that actually protect your vehicle like it's brand new. Listen up. I'm going to tell you something most Americans don't know. More than 70% of the gasoline sold in America doesn't have enough detergents to keep your engine clean. That's why over 500,000 cars break down every year just from carbon buildup. Your Ford F-150, your Honda Civic, or your Toyota Camry are a constant risk. But don't worry, friend. I'm going to show you which gas stations to avoid and which ones actually take care of your ride. The 11 gas stations you need to avoid. Number 11. Generic, no-name stations on rural roads. Ever been driving down Interstate 40 or Route 66 and see a gas station with no recognizable name? Just says gas with faded letters painted on the side. Stay away, buddy. Many of these stations buy the cheapest fuel they could find. Quality be damned. I've seen engines in Chevy Silverados and Nissan Sentras that, after filling up there, start failing within days. The idle gets rough, they lose power going uphill, and the check engine light comes on for no apparent reason. Number 10. Certain convenience store chain gas stations. Look, these convenience stores are on every corner. We know that, but not all their gas stations maintain the same standards. Some franchises buy fuel from different suppliers each week, looking for the best price. That means one day it might be decent, the next day, pure garbage. I've had customers tell me, "Mechanic, I filled up at that convenience store in my neighborhood and my car started knocking." When we check it out, we find clogged injectors and spark plugs black with carbon. Cheap gas ends up being expensive, partner. Number 9. Stations that mix regular with premium. This is a common scam in America. There are stations without scruples that mix regular gasoline with premium to make more profit. You pay for premium thinking you're giving your engine the best, but you're actually pumping a watered-down mix that can cause knocking and power loss. How to identify them? If you see that the premium price is too cheap compared to other nearby stations, that's a sign something fishy is going on. Also, if your car starts acting up right after filling there, especially on hills or when you accelerate hard. Number 8. Gas stations with old, rusty underground tanks. In many small towns and rural areas across America, there are still gas stations with underground tanks that are over 30 years old. These tanks rust from the inside and release sediment and water that contaminates the fuel. Common symptoms: your car starts rough when cold, chokes when you accelerate, or straight up won't start after getting gas. When we drain the tank, out comes a cloudy liquid with black particles. That's rust and gunk, my friend. And that kills fuel pumps and clogs injectors faster than you can say NASCAR. Number 7. Franchises that sell short gallons. This is a classic American scam. Gas stations that rig the pumps to dispense less than what you paid for. Not only are they stealing your money, but many of these dishonest stations also sell low-quality gasoline. If you notice your fuel economy suddenly dropped, you used to get 400 miles on a tank. Now you only get 300. They might be playing you, and if your engine starts failing on top of that, it's because they're not just robbing you, they're giving you junk fuel. Number 6. Stations that cut gasoline with solvents. This is one of the worst. Buddy, there are networks of shady gas stations that add industrial solvents or aviation fuel to regular gasoline to artificially boost the octane. This is super dangerous. I've seen engines completely destroyed by this. Pistons melt, valves burn, and the catalytic converter gets shredded. In states like Texas, Louisiana, and Florida, authorities have shut down several stations for selling this kind of doctored gas. If your car makes weird noises, smoked black, or loses power dramatically after filling up, you might have fallen into one of these traps. Number 5. Stations selling stolen fuel. Fuel theft isn't just a thing of the past. Friend, although authorities have fought this practice, there are still gas stations that receive stolen fuel from pipelines. This fuel isn't just illegal. It comes contaminated with dirt, water, and even rust from the pipelines. How to identify them? Suspiciously low prices, locations in poorly regulated areas, and lack of official receipts. If you fill up there, your engine can become useless in a matter of weeks. It's not worth risking your vehicle to save $10. Number 4. Stations with excess ethanol. In America, gasoline can legally contain up to 10% ethanol, but some stations add more to increase volume and make more money. The The problem is that excess ethanol deteriorates hoses, seals, and gaskets in the engine. Warning signs: your engine loses strength in hot weather, uses more gas than normal, and smells weird like alcohol when you accelerate. In humid climates, like the southeast, ethanol absorbs water from the air, and that causes your tank to accumulate condensation. Result: flooded engine and rusted fuel pump. Number 3. International franchises with lower standards in America. This surprises a lot of people. Some famous international brands that have excellent reputations in Europe don't maintain the same quality standards in America. Because here, regulations are looser in some states and oversight is less. I've seen cases from supposedly reliable brand stations where the fuel comes with fewer detergents than recommended, or where the tanks don't get proper maintenance. Don't just trust the name. Pay attention to how your car runs after filling there. Number 2. Abandoned or poorly maintained independent stations. Yeah, you read that, right? Independent stations, although many independents are fine, not all their stations are well maintained. There are some, especially in rural areas, that have ancient equipment. Tanks that haven't been cleaned in years, and even pumps that aren't properly calibrated. Authorities have fined several stations for selling short gallons and for having fuel contaminated with water. If you see a station that looks abandoned, with old or poorly maintained facilities, better find another option, even if you have to drive 5 more miles. Number 1. Gas stations selling toxic or waste fuel. This is the most dangerous and criminal category of all. We're not talking about poor quality. We're talking about literally toxic fuel that can kill your engine in days. In America, they've discovered networks that sell gasoline made with industrial waste, use solvents, and even burnt oil mixed with stolen fuel. Authorities have shut down operations in several states where they found this type of products. Devastating effects: melted injectors, destroyed pistons, shredded catalytic converter, and even engine fires. Some drivers lost their vehicles completely. If a gas station offers you ridiculously low prices, or is in a very isolated area without visible permits, get away immediately. The 5 gas stations that actually protect your engine. All right, buddy, I've scared you with the bad ones. Now comes the good stuff. These are the gas stations that really take care of your investment, that keep your engine clean, and that will save you thousands of dollars in repairs. These are the ones I use in my own trucks, and the ones I recommend to all my customers. Number 5. Chevron with This is real gasoline, brother. Chevron's Techron formula isn't just advertising hype. It's one of the most powerful detergent packages approved by car manufacturers. I've torn down engines with over 250,000 miles that only ran Chevron. Clean as a whistle inside, shiny valves, injectors without carbon, pistons without deposits. And although it costs a few cents more per gallon, you save a fortune at the shop. Your engine breathes easy with this fuel. Number 4. Shell V-Power. Shell is another brand that takes engine cleanliness seriously. Their nitrogen-enriched system forms a protective barrier inside the engine that prevents carbon and gunk from sticking to metal parts. The result: cars running on Shell for years still show clean combustion chambers and smooth idle. Consistency is what really stands out. Every Shell station follows strict standards, so you know exactly what you're getting no matter where you fill up. It's not the cheapest on the block, but your throttle thanks you with better response. Number 3. ExxonMobil. This brand is built on consistency and science. Their Synergy blend comes loaded with cleaning agents designed to protect critical engine parts from carbon and corrosion. I've seen older engines that ran mainly on Mobil, clean valves, spotless injectors, and no hesitation under load. What makes them stand out is that even their regular gasoline meets premium quality standards. They don't give you watered-down mixes. Every gallon has the same detergent formula, whether regular or premium. It's solid, reliable fuel you can trust. Number 2. BP, British Petroleum. BP surprises a lot of people in America because, although they don't have as many stations as other brands, the quality is exceptional. Their ultimate gasoline is designed to clean as you drive. The detergent package is so strong, it can remove carbon buildup from previous years. I've seen engines that switched to BP Ultimate after years using cheap gas, and within a few tanks, the idle smoothed out and throttle response came back. BP says it keeps engines up to 60% cleaner than fuels without enough to... From my experience in the shop, they're not exaggerating. Number 1. Top-tier certified stations. Look for the top-tier logo. This isn't a brand. It's a certification created by major car manufacturers including General Motors, Ford, Honda, and Toyota. Stations that carry top-tier fuel meets, strict detergent standards that go beyond EPA minimum requirements. Brands like Costco, Quick Trip, and Kirkland Gasoline all carry top-tier certification. That means every gallon, whether regular or premium, has the cleaning power to keep your engine running like new. I've seen high-mileage cars, trucks with 200,000 plus miles, running top tier their whole lives. When we open them up, they're cleaner inside than vehicles with half the miles running on cheap gas. Mechanic tips to protect your engine. Don't just go by price. Gas that's $2 cheaper per gallon can cost you $5,000 in repairs. Watch your fuel economy. If your car suddenly gets fewer miles per tank, change stations immediately. Listen to your engine. Knocking, black smoke, or power loss after filling up are signs of bad gas. Always ask for your receipt. Legitimate stations have no problem giving you proof. If they half use E, that's suspicious. Check for certification. Verified stations display their top tier or state certification in a visible place. Use fuel system cleaner every 5,000 miles, even if you use good gas. An occasional treatment helps keep everything clean. Keep your tank full. Running on fumes, let sediment from the bottom get stirred up and clog your filters. Remember, friend, your car is your work tool. Your pride, your investment. Don't let bootleg or poor quality gas ruin it. Today's savings can become tomorrow's huge expenses. Good gasoline isn't a luxury. It's preventive maintenance. It's worth paying a little more per gallon than paying thousands for a broken engine. Take care of your machine, and it'll take care of you. Made in America. For Americans who take care of what's theirs.